Whether you're looking for privacy or a place for your horses, you've come to the right house. Let's go inside. Now, this home does feature 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a formal dining, eating kitchen, family room, and one of the things I really like is the back outlooks over the entire pasture. Notice the Corian countertops in the kitchen and lots of counter space. The family room is perfect for those family gatherings. Now, my favorite part is in the wintertime, hang out by the fireplace. In the summertime, go out and have a little picnic on this large deck. Bedrooms are all good size. You'll notice that the primary bedroom has its own bath, which is great. I don't know about you, but I like privacy. By the way, if you could like and share this video, it will help the seller and me. Thank you.
Oh, hey, did you know that horses can't burp? And if you knew that, then you probably want to know about these facts about this house.
Zoned for 2 large animals, a run-in shed with attached feed and tack room. The grass is pasture grass throughout the whole yard. There's a large pole barn if you prefer to have stalls, and a short drive to all these Michigan horse parks. Let's jump into the outside. Here's one of the large pastures. Lots of room, and notice here this really big pole barn. If you wanted to make into stalls, you could do that. See how large this is? Next door to it is the workshop. The workshop is heated, so it's good for those Michigan winters working year-round. Listen, don't miss out. If you're looking for your own little piece of heaven, then don't wait. Reach out today to schedule your private showing before it's too late. My name's Rich Sparks, Keller Williams Realty. Have a great day.